Hi guys, what's up? Today I just want to show you this Hako FX901. This is cordless wireless power battery power solder iron. There's one video I see only some guy he trailing and he explained very well about the box and everything. But I was just thinking my experience, so I want to share my experience with that. You can see here I use a lot already. Actually, I'm using this solder almost 6 month or 7 month already. It's just not new. Like some other people, they make a review, they just bought the new. For me, I just used already 6 7 month. What happened with me actually, when I bought this, I was very excited, and I just thinking, okay, now sometime I need to have a quick projects, so I don't want plug the wire and everything, so I was thinking just sell and it will be best. But what happened with me when I bought this one, when I bought this and I plug I insert the battery, I use just the alkaline normal batteries in the market. So when I use the batteries and then I see, okay, it's work fine, but I feel within few minutes, like a 20 or 30 minutes, it just go down. It's not even melting the solder. I was so disappointed, and I was thinking why I bought this kind of thing. This costs around 30 to $35, depends on the you're buying. So but I was thinking like why I feel like really regret, because I feel like this one is not working well, like for the battery. But actually, if you see the brochure, I will put the picture of the brochure. This is the alkaline is quickly go higher, but not long lasting. But if you use the rechargeable cell, so it will be good. But what happened with me, I use the rechargeable cells, Neheim batteries, and the same thing happened. It go down, but actually the reason was I was using a different kind of batteries, like not a good brand. Hold on, I can show you. I was using, this is triple A size, but actually same double A size I had already before, and I throw it already because this kind of brand I was using uh, my old batteries, but that was the same rechargeable. And when I use that batteries, it's just same thing happens. So the my point is, the main thing, if you want to use this wireless soldering iron, use eneloop batteries, only eneloop. You will be really satisfied. This is 2000 milliamp batteries, minimum is 119, but actually it's 2000. And this is like because normally they are made in Japan. Here is made in Japan. These batteries now have new thing come out, made in Japan. I bought before, and now the new version is made in China. So one thing is, be careful when you're going to buy this batteries. The new version start from 2015 eneloop, start made in China. I really disappoint. I bought in Thailand. This is Thai language, and they're manufacturing in China. Panasonic, they opened a factory in China. And really, when I see on the Google, I research, there is a difference cycle. Normally they have a 2000 cycle, but some guy he tests, he said not 2000 cycle, maybe not even 1000 cycle. It's made in China. But the old batteries, maybe you can find still in Europe or US, made in Japan. When you're going to buy the batteries, made in Japan. Eneloop is the number one in the world battery. Anyway, I go out of the topic. I'm going out of the topic because it's good, but rather than I make another video for about the battery. So I'm telling you, this is very important information. This is made in Japan. This cell is made in Japan, but now again, the manufacturing in Japan. The Pro still in Japan, but they're still manufacturing here in packing. This is the Thai language, the packing in Thai language, but the cell is made in Japan. But when I bought this one, because I have before experience, like I used to know this eneloop is only come from Japan, and before my batteries was from Japan. And then I just go shop, I just buy, like I didn't check anything. And when I open and I use it and I check the one cell, I like this two cell, I think this is, yeah, this two cell, when I check made in China, made in China, and I open my old cell, as you can see, this is the old cell, right? And this is new cell. And I feel very bad, and I go to the shopkeeper and I give back 4 cells. I bought the 8 cells and she took it, and she have some old stock, so I get the old stock, this one. So anyway, use the eneloop batteries. If you use 2500 milliamp, will give you more long result, like a 2-hour non-stop you can use, or 1.5 hour you can say. And then if you use this one, eneloop 2000 milliamp, this battery, it will give you 1 hour plus. So as you can see, this is made in Japan till 2013 and 2014 made in Japan. After 2015 now is made in China. Anyway, so after this, the main thing when you want to use this, use eneloop made in Japan battery, or this battery, Pro battery. You will get long timing and you will get more quick heat rather than other. So here I just want to show you how it will take the time. Another video, some people they make the same thing, but I want to test it here again. Maybe the solder maybe have some difference between the heating time. So we test again, because I have another solder. This is the second solder I'm making the review so far on the internet. So I want to test it, how it will be, how long lasting it will be. So I just put the charger. Let me close my, okay. So here I will on it. And then I will on, and then we will test how long it takes. This is full chargeable batteries, Sanyo eneloop. I make it 100% full charged, and I put inside, insert it, and now I will on the time, and together I will on, and let's see how long it will take. So yes, yeah. Oh, again reset. It was a little bit down, so I can do again. Okay, okay, now it's on. Yes, now melting. 26. It's around 27, you can say. Yes. So that's all. Simple thing. Nothing special. So here is the cloth. I can just clean from this cloth. Anyway, so I didn't wear the safety glasses. I can show without safety glasses. Anyway, I'm just kidding and joke. So that was my review. The main thing I want to show and tell, after I use this eneloop batteries, I'm really satisfied. And one thing, don't keep the batteries. If you don't use, better bring out the batteries out. And this is my experience since many months. That's why I'm telling you. You can see this thing little bit get dark because I used to put, that's all. I just, when I need to solder, I quickly just insert the batteries, and that's 26 seconds. And this wireless, my point is the batteries are very important. Otherwise you might be feel you will regret why you bought this one and this is not working. The batteries are very important. And if you go to eneloop Pro, these batteries 2550 2550, so you will sure like it. That's my simple review. Hope you like the video. Like it, subscribe, and I always make a different thing, different videos from everywhere, and different kind of, my channel is not specific for the electronics, so you can see there. Okay guys, see you. Hope see you again in next video. Bye bye, take care.